Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the career in finance and banking. What is finance? In simple word I can explain you. Finance is managing money. Yes, it's all about managing your money. So finance is now on two levels, that is individual and business. Let me explain you about the individual level. Here you can take example of an individual, that how he would manage to save from his expenditure, and how to invest his saving, how to increase their saving, and how to invest in a good share market or good mutual fund. So it's all about managing money in an individual point of view, and it's almost same in business, but the difference is the business man has to think about the farm, not about himself. And here there are questions of how to raise the farm's money, how to make happy to the investor or the shareholder, how to earn more and more profit, or whether to invest or reinvest in the business, or to distribute back them to investors. So this was from the business point of view. So here you can see there are many career options which you could find in finance sector. There are two parts, the area to explore and the qualifications to explore. You could have a look. In this picture you could able to see which kind of financial service careers are provided by the banks and the finance department. So generally students or the parents forced to opt for engineering or medical and would end up with a MBA degree. So let me tell you that these two sectors are also now important, and people are focusing on these two sectors because of a huge advantage and perks. It gives the same perks as other profession gives, and the job security and job satisfaction is also being seen here in these two sectors. So in my view I would say that people not going with the rumors should go for these two sectors also. In this picture you could able to see that there are different kinds of finance career, and side by side you could able to see a graph where which has shown top industries with job openings for finance professionals. Top 5 jobs in banking and finance. First is financial accountant. First, let me tell you the role of financial accountant. Financial accountants manage a company's financial accounts to guarantee that they are properly managed and obviously distributed. So it basically includes analyzing all the different aspects of a business, evaluate important financial matters. So in short you can say, as many major decisions and discussions are based on the work of a financial accountant, individual in you can say a large corporation can earn significant salary, so he should go for financial accountant. Next is financial analyst. It manages people and businesses in making investments, whether it is through the stock market or bonds or any other investment. So financial analysts engage with companies, leaders and individual, and write report and work with the broad range of people and financial institutes. Third one is business analyst. So a business analyst is someone who analyzes an industry and understand its method and operation. So by evaluating business model and its combination with technology. So in short, it's a relationship or a link between the business problem and the use of modern technology. Next is loan officers. Loan officers help individuals and organization in you know have any loan for their requirement. So it evaluates the individuals and credit worthiness, and help them to decide the most suitable type of loan they could get according to their requirement. So loan officers will find expertise in banking, lending or sales, and knowledge of computers to be huge asset in their job search. Fifth and the last one is teller. A teller deals directly with the customers, and in some places, these employees is known as a cashier also. So, you can say a teller is the front line in banking business, because they are the first people that a customer can see or talk. So you can say they are the most likely to identify and stop the fraudulent transactions also. First, one should know the benefits of a career in finance, and we have 7 benefits here. First one is high earning potential. Career in finance give a great pay as other jobs do, and most importantly, if you work hard and show your potential to your company, then there would be a steady increase in your pay. Second is a balanced lifestyle. Many jobs couldn't allow a person to have a balanced life in their professional and personal life, but the finance sector gives this opportunity, and especially for bachelors who want to live independently and have and can do many things in their life apart from their job life. Third is lots of career option. The financial sector is a diverse and full of many different career options for professional, and there are many variety of specialization you can go for. So financial sector is a very vast sector. Flexibility and room growth, which means if one would think for a promotion or working abroad, so in finance sector it is possible. The only thing you have to do is work hard and show your work to them, and make them realize that you are that much capable that you could have a promotion very early. And if you want to work abroad, so finance give that opportunity also on the basis of your work. Job security. Yeah, and in youth this is the main issue, that their job should be secured, and as because there are many job position in this field, so this gives you more freedom to switch companies. Lastly, challenging career. Many people think that career in finance is easy, but it's not. It takes brains and hard work and education to be successful. It requires individual, intellectual to give full on their work, and it can be very rewarding in the long term. And the most importantly, you don't have to wait, or it doesn't take any more long time to move up in ranks. If you are good at work and show your hard work, then you can get promotion easily. Before starting a career in finance, we should know the features of finance. So there are mainly 3 features. First one is channelizing funds. What do you mean by channelizing funds? To generate funds from people who have surplus, to give people who have a shortage. So mainly financial sector and financial market perform an essential role in channelizing these funds. Next is acquisition, allocation and utilizations of funds. So business needs to decide how to raise funds, that is acquisition, and where to invest these funds, which is allocation, and check whether these funds are used efficiently or not, which is utilization. So this finance sector will help them to analyze the different funds related issues. So business needs to decide about mode of raising funds, and once if funds are raised, so how it should be allocated to different projects or services, and once it is allocated, it should be ensured that funds are utilized efficiently and effectively to achieve its objective. And the last one is maximization of shareholder wealth. It is important from a company point of view because shareholders are the real owners and their profit or the wealth should keep as the first thing of to the company. So finance help in defining their wealth, how to increase their profit, so that they should stick to their company and to raise capital. Everything is done by this finance sector. This picture is nothing but which shows that how much banking sector is useful, and we have already discussed about the features and the benefits of banking, why one should go for banking. Even it's a private sector, it provides a lot of perks and help to a individual. What is banking? In simple words, I can say banking is something which bring money from the people, safeguard their money, and lend this money to the required people who want to invest in something and earn profit. And the people who invested their money or lended their money could also gain some interest. And nowadays, there are many banking services apart from this, like issue of debit card or credit card, insurance policy, mutual funds, etc. So nowadays banking provides a lot of banking services as as compared to before. So we'll now talk about banking company and banking system. So in simple words, banking company is what which perform banking services, and banking system is what which also perform as like banking systems, like lending money or giving loans to required people, issue debit card and credit card. So there are many more activities which are done by banks nowadays. You know what, the most important element in banking sector is trust. If people trust the bank, then only they would let them to lend their money or keep their money to safeguard them. Despite of providing more and more financial services, they should build or gain their confidence and build their trust, so that people could trust more and more and could keep their assets and cash to safeguard them, so that they could lend this money to the investor, so that the bank will earn profit and the depositors could earn some interest. Talking about the benefits of career in banking, first one is decent salary. A person who is engaged in banking services get a decent, which means a good salary according to his job, and if he work hard, there is a good increment in the salary. Next is growth opportunity. Yes, banking services provide growth opportunity, which means if you do well, you could have a great and bright future ahead in banking services. And no promotions limit. So if many people think that there is a limit in promotions, then let me clear you that there is no limit in promotions. If you work hard and show your you know potential to the management, then you would be promoted to higher level as soon as possible. Next is job security. It is the main thing which a person finds in every job, and banking gives a good job security option also. It's for everyone. Like if a science student will think he couldn't go for banking services, it's wrong. It's open for all kind of student and pursuing any kind of subject. So it's really for everyone. Overall skill development, here if you work in banking sector, you would work with a versatile environment. So there is a lot of skill development as you deal with many things here. So you could, while you do your job, you could learn many things about the market, about the economy and everything. Job satisfaction. Generally, people have complained with their job that they are not having a good job satisfaction. So here banking gives you a good job satisfaction by giving a good salary, promotions, improvement of skill, job security, everything. Leaves and holidays. This is a must which everyone finds a good leave or a holiday services. So there are many paid leaves and other leaves you can take in your emergencies, and you get holiday services also. This is mm, so rare in as they don't provide any holidays through the company, but banking sector provides that. High demand. Now banking sector's job are in high demand and everybody is going for banking. So from here you can know that how much banking sector is essential and a good career option. High regard. The people who are working there give a good feedback that yeah, they are engaged in a good job. There is a good job satisfaction and there are growth opportunities also. So overall skill development is there. So one should go for banking sector. Thank you for watching the video.